Hello dear students, I am Seema Kulkarni from Department of English, Ferguson College, Pune. Dear students, today we shall learn the second part of the fourth section, that is 4.1 History of English Novel. In the first part of this lecture, we studied introduction of novel and novella, meaning of novel and novella, elements of novel or novella. In the second part of this lecture, we are going to learn the types of novel. Let us now learn the types of novels. Students, in this lecture, we are going to learn types of novel. There are 12 to 13 types of novel which are given in our syllabus. Let us learn one by one. The first type of novel is realistic novel. Realistic fiction attempts to portray the world as it is. जग जसं आहे त्या पद्धतीचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आपल्याला ह्या रिअलिस्टिक नॉव्हेलमध्ये वाचायला मिळतं. देर इज नो सुपरनॅचरल एलिमेंट, नो फॅन्टॅसी, द वर्ल्ड ॲज इट इज. It is the description of the people going on there with their daily businesses, about their joys, sorrows, etc. Realistic novel emphasizes on truthful representation. It is a fictional attempt to give effect of realism. एक फिक्शनल अटेम्प्ट आहे, इमॅजिनरी स्टोरी असते, पण रिअलिस्टिक अप्रोच देण्याचा प्रयत्न या रिअलिस्टिक नॉव्हेलमध्ये केला जातो. This realistic novel is also called novel of manners. Novel of manners is a realistic story that concentrates on social customs, manners, conventions, and habits of a definite social class. Realistic novels are characterized by complex character. Complex character, the character that undergoes specific change as the plot unfolds. And this complex character with mixed motive rooted in the social class and operate according to highly developed social structure is described in the realistic novel. The characters in realistic novel interact with other characters and undergo probable everyday experience. The example of realistic novel is The Fault in Our Stars, written by John Green. In this novel, we get the realistic story that talks about death, sufferings, and relationship. In this novel, the protagonist of the novel had cancer. The next type of novel is picaresque novel. The word picaresque is originated from Spanish word picaro, meaning rogue, a dishonest person or the disrespectful person. The protagonist of the picaresque novel is an eccentric or disrespectful hero. एखाद्या डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल पर्सन बद्दलचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आणि त्याच्या ॲडव्हेंचर्सचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आपल्याला स्पेसिफिकली पिकारेक्स नॉव्हेलमध्ये वाचायला मिळतं. द प्रोटॅगॉनिस्ट इज अ रोगिश अगेन द डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल पर्सन बट अपीलिंग हिरो. अँड दिस इज द डिफरन्स हिअर चिल्ड्रन, की आपल्याला डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल पर्सन, डिसऑनेस्ट पर्सन ॲज अ हिरो नको असतो, पण पिकारेक्स नॉव्हेलचा हिरो मात्र ही इज द अपीलिंग हिरो. दिस protagonist of the picaresque novel is of low social class who lives by his or her wits in a corrupt society. Characteristics of features of picaresque novels are the narration of the picaresque novel is an episodic form. एपिसोडच्या फॉर्ममध्ये हे नॉवेल लिहिलं जातं. The novel is narrated in first person and the main character is often of low character or of low social class. एका लो सोशल क्लासमध्ये राहणारा, खूप सारे सफरिंग्स असणारा, डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल अशी ती व्यक्ती असते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोटॅगॉनिस्ट ऑफ द पिकारेक्स नॉव्हेल. अँड सर्कमस्टन्सेस चेंज बट पिकारो इज ऑलवेज पिकारो. अँड द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द पिकारेक्स नॉव्हेल is Moll Flanders by Daniel Defoe. Moll Flanders is the story of fall and rise of a beautiful woman who was born in prison. The next type of novel is historical novel. Historical novel is a novel that has a setting earlier than that of a writing. हिस्टोरिकल पिरियडचं ज्या नॉव्हेलमध्ये आपल्याला डिस्क्रिप्शन वाचायला मिळतं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द हिस्टोरिकल नॉव्हेल. Historical novel pays attention to the spirit, manner, social conditions, and other details of the depicted period with realistic details and fidelity to historical fact. Fidelity, that means faithfulness. की या हिस्टोरिकल नॉव्हेल्समध्ये हिस्टॉरिकल फॅक्ट्स आणि त्या पर्टिक्युलर सोसायटीचे मॅनर्स आणि सोशल कंडिशन्स डिस्क्राईब केल्या जातात. ट्रूथफुल रिप्रेझेंटेशन, रिअलिस्टिक डिटेल्स आपल्याला ह्या नॉवेल्समध्ये वाचायला मिळतात. The setting is usually real and drawn from history. You must have seen or you must have watched in movies. तुम्ही हिस्टॉरिकल बुक्स वाचले असतील, हिस्टॉरिकल मूवीज बघितल्या असतील की जिथे सेटिंग हे रिअल आणि हिस्ट्रीमधूनच घेतलेलं आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. The work may deal with actual historical personage or it may contain a mixture of fictional and historical characters. आता हिस्टॉरिकल नॉवेल म्हटलं तर सगळं ट्रूथफुल रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपल्याला इथे बघायला मिळत नाही, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉवेल अँड नॉवेल इज द फिक्शनलाइज टेल. नॉवेलमध्ये काही इमॅजिनरी गोष्टी वापरल्या जातात, लिहिल्या जातात. सो इन द हिस्टॉरिकल नॉवेल अल्सो वी कॅन फाइंड द मिक्सचर ऑफ फिक्शनल अँड हिस्टॉरिकल कॅरेक्टर्स. काही इमॅजिनरी कॅरेक्टर्स ऍड केले जातात, काही हिस्टॉरिकल कॅरेक्टर्स ऍड केले जातात. It may focus on a single historical event, and the example of the historical novel is Romola by George Eliot. The next type of novel is epistolary novel. The word epistolary is again derived from Latin word epistola, means later, and as the name shows, the usual form of this type of novel is letters. Letersच्या माध्यमातून, पत्रव्यवहाराच्या माध्यमातून हे नॉवेल लिहिलं जातं. Along with letters, the novel is also written in the form of series of documents. काही कागदपत्रांची मांडणी ह्या नॉवेलमध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळते. At the same time, writer presents the narrative through a series of correspondence or other documents. पत्रव्यवहार या नॉवेलमध्ये दाखवला जातो. काही कागदपत्र सुद्धा वापरली जातात हे नॉवेल लिहिण्यासाठी. And though later is the usual form of this type of novel, diary entries are also popular from of this type of novel. So diary entries सुद्धा ह्या नॉवेलमध्ये वापरल्या जातात. And in the modern period, radio broadcast, newspaper clippings, blogs and emails are also used for narration. And this type of novel became very popular in 18th century. The example of epistolary novel is Pamela or Virtue Rewarded by Samuel Richardson, and it is the story of a 15-year-old maidservant named Pamela Andrews. Now look at the picture, children. What do you feel looking at the picture? There is the lonely house. The house is not in good condition. The atmosphere is gloomy. The roads are deserted. If you look at the trees, they are without leaves. पडका वाडा आहे, कुणी तिथे जात नाहीये. Atmosphere पूर्ण gloomy आहे. When you look at such picture, what do you feel? Maybe ghost. The ghost may be living inside. The house may be haunted one. भुताटकी असलेली ती place आपल्याला वाटू शकते. Maybe some criminal activities are going on inside. Someone may have been murdered in that place, or some black magic or the supernatural things may be going on. काही ब्लॅक मॅजिक किंवा सुपरनॅचरल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज त्या वाड्यात चालत तर नाहीये ना, या वाड्यामध्ये क्रिमिनल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज तर नाहीये ना, अशा पद्धतीचे विचार आपल्या मनात येतात. अँड वेन this type of feelings or when this type of description is there, that novel is known as Gothic novel. The term Gothic novel refers to the stories that combine terror and horror. And Gothic novel often deals with supernatural elements or events occurring in nature cannot be easily explained or man has no control over the events. Elements of Gothic novels are terror, an atmosphere of mystery and suspense, horror, thriller, supernatural, doom, that means death, decay, set in haunted buildings with ghosts, awful weather, nightmares, melodrama. या पद्धतीचे एलिमेंट्स वापरून जे नॉवेल लिहिले जातात दॅट इज कॉल्ड गॉथिक नॉवेल. जिथे मिस्ट्री असते, जिथे सस्पेन्स असतो, जिथे थ्रिलर असतं, सुपरनॅचरल एलिमेंट्स असतात, हॉन्टेड बिल्डिंग्स असतात, भूतांच्या बद्दलचं वर्णन असतं, दॅट टाइप ऑफ नॉवेल इज नोन ॲज गॉथिक नॉवेल. Wuthering Heights, written by Charlotte Bronte, is the example of Gothic novel, and this novel has the elements like violence, death, etc. The next type of novel is autobiographical novel. Autobiographical novel is based on the life of the author. But before we understand what the autobiographical novel is, we must have to understand the basic difference between autobiography and autobiographical novel. Autobiographical is the fact-based representation of one's life. ऑटोबायोग्राफीमध्ये पूर्णपणे खरं डिस्क्रिप्शन हे त्या व्यक्तीचं दिलं जातं. बट ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल इज द फिक्शनलाइज टेल. सो नॉवेलमध्ये ह्या लिबर्टीज त्या रायटरला मिळतात की काही इमॅजिनरी एलिमेंट्स ॲड करू शकतात, काही ड्रामॅटिक फीचर्स दे कॅन ॲड. लाईक ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल नॉवेल इज पार्शियली फिक्शन. संपूर्णपणे ट्रूथफुल किंवा रिअलिस्टिक रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपल्याला ह्या नॉवेलमध्ये वाचायला मिळत नाही. The autobiographical novel is a mixture of truth and fiction. An author may change the places and names of characters or even may avoid certain details of his life. So novel आहे, इथे लिबर्टी असते की इमॅजिनरी एलिमेंट्स ॲड करण्याची. सो काही प्लेसेसचे, काही कॅरेक्टरचे नावं बदलता येऊ शकतात, और काही डिटेल्स एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या आयुष्याच्या सुद्धा अवॉइड करता येऊ शकतात. And certain events and dialogues may also be changed in this type of novel. Events are made more dramatic, but story has a close resemblance to the author's life. काही ड्रामॅटिक फीचर्स जरी ॲड केले असतील तरी ती स्टोरी बऱ्यापैकी रिअलिस्टिक करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जातो. And this novel may or may not be written in first person narration. Truth, Love and a Little Malice, written by Khushwant Singh, is the example of autobiographical novel. Then the next type of novel is allegorical novel. Again, an allegory is a symbolic fictional narrative that conveys a meaning not explicitly set forth in the narrative. So allegory is basically a story or poem or picture that can be interpreted to reveal a hidden meaning, typically a moral or political one. एखाद्या स्टोरीला एकापेक्षा अधिक मीनिंग असतात, एकापेक्षा अधिक मेसेजेस त्या स्टोरीमधून दिले जातात, अँड दॅट इज कॉल्ड द ॲलेगरिकल नॉवेल. स्टोरी दॅट बेअर्स मोर दॅन वन लेवल ऑफ मिनिंग. एक सरफेस मिनिंग असतो जो सरळ सरळ आपल्याला दिसतो, अँड द सेकंड वन इज सिम्बॉलिक मिनिंग. अँड दिस सिम्बॉलिक मिनिंग इज ऑफन ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल ऑर रिलिजियस ऑर हिस्टॉरिकल ऑर फिलॉसॉफिकल. पॉलिटिकल किंवा रिलिजियस किंवा हिस्टॉरिकल और फिलॉसॉफिकल गोष्टींवरती सिम्बॉलिकली भाष्य केलं जातं ह्या ॲलेगरिकल नॉवेलमध्ये. अँड ॲलेगरी कॅन बी लिंक टू द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. ॲलेगरीमध्ये नॉर्मली मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी सांगितलं जातं. अँड द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द ॲलेगरिकल नॉवेल इज ॲनिमल फार्म. द मेसेज ऑफ दिस नॉवेल is how power can lead to corruption and oppression. This novel is written by George Orwell. The next type of novel is utopian or dystopian novel. Now children, utopia and dystopia, they are the opposite terms. So let us first understand what the utopian novel is. Utopia is a community or society possessing ideal or perfect qualities. So characteristic features of the utopia are the perfect world, free of conflict, hunger and unhappiness. युटोपियन नॉवेलमध्ये सगळं आयडियल किंवा परफेक्ट जग दाखवलं जातं. जसं आपण ज्या जगात राहतो ते इट इज द परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड. पीपल आर फ्री ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, कुठलेही संघर्ष नाही आहेत. पीपल आर फ्री फ्रॉम हंगर अँड अनहॅपीनेस. सगळ्या लोकांना हेल्थकेअर फॅसिलिटीज मिळत आहेत, सगळी लोकांना राईट टू एज्युकेशन मिळतं आहे. पीपल आर गेटिंग इक्वल अपॉर्च्युनिटीज ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आणि सगळी लोक खूप आनंदाने त्या जगात राहत आहेत असं जे वर्णन केलं जातं ऑफ द आयडियल सोसायटी इज द युटोपियन नॉवेल. अँड रॉबिन्सन क्रुझो written by Daniel Defoe and Gulliver's Travel written by Jonathan Swift are the examples of utopian novel. Dystopian novel, it is opposite to utopia. Dystopia is an antonym of utopia. युटोपियाचा विरुद्धार्थी शब्द डिस्टोपिया आहे. आणि जर युटोपियामध्ये जर का आयडियल वर्ल्ड दाखवलं असेल तर अल्टिमेटली इन डिस्टोपिया अन अनप्लेझंट सोसायटी इज रिप्रेझेंटेड वेअर पीपल आर लिडिंग मिझरेबल लाईफ. इट इज द डिसफंक्शनल स्टेट और सोसायटी दॅट हॅज अ व्हेरी पुअर स्टँडर्ड ऑफ लिव्हिंग. एन्व्हायरमेंटचं खूप डिग्रेडेशन झालेलं आहे, लोक खूप दुःखी आहेत, लोकांना खायला अन्न मिळत नाही किंवा ओव्हरक्राउडिंग प्लेसेस आहेत, लोकांना त्यांच्या राईट्स पासून डिप्राईव्ह केलं जातं. अशा पद्धतीचं डिस्क्रिप्शन ज्या नॉवेलमध्ये असतं दॅट इज डिस्टोपियन नॉवेल. And the examples of dystopian novel are Ferret 451 by Ray Bradbury and The Giver by Lois Lowry. And it is a common literary theme, especially in speculative fiction and science fiction.
9 to 5 job, अरे 5 to 9 job, धावपळ, all the time job. The roaming वाला job, the deadline वाला job, किंवा are you living in the market वाला job?
जीवनात खूप पर्याय आहेत. असा एक जॉब निवडा, स्वतःच्या मर्जीनुसार पैसे कमवा. LIC एजंट बनण्याचं ठरवा. हे आहे जॉब पेक्षा खूप काहीतरी. हा आहे करिअर इन्शुरन्स. LIC एजंट बना आणि व्हा बॉस तुम्हीच तुमचे. आता लाईफ सेट आहे.
The next type of novel is psychological novel. Psychological novels are known as stories of inner person. व्यक्तीचा आतला प्रवास किंवा त्याचा सायकोलॉजिकल जी काही जर्नी आहे त्याचं वर्णन ज्या टाईपच्या नॉवेलमध्ये आपल्याला वाचायला मिळतं दॅट इज द सायकोलॉजिकल नॉवेल. Psychological novel treats internal life of protagonist or other characters as much as the external factors. की जे व्यक्तीचा इनर सेल्फ हा सुद्धा बाहेरच्या कॅरेक्टर्स इतकाच महत्वाचा असतो. त्या व्यक्तीला महत्व दिलं जातं. The emphasis of the psychological novel is on internal characterization and on the motives, circumstances, and internal action. The novel emphasizes on the description of the character's psychological development. मानसिक विकास, मानसिक जडणघडण ज्या नॉवेल्समध्ये एखाद्या कॅरेक्टरची आपल्याला वाचायला मिळते दॅट इज कॉल्ड सायकोलॉजिकल नॉवेल. And in this novel, the author gives attention to the psychological changes of the characters. Individual is important. व्यक्ती म्हणून प्रत्येक व्यक्तीला आणि त्या व्यक्तीच्या इनर सेल्फला महत्व दिलं जातं. Character and characterization are prominent in this type of novel. Sons and Lawrence Rainbow, written by D.H. Lawrence, are the examples of psychological novel. Now, look at the picture, children. What do you understand looking at the picture? You can see that there is a stream. एक झरा आहे. And what do you find in that stream? There are thoughts, feelings, thoughts, sensation. Again, thoughts, feeling, thoughts, sensation. And this stream is flowing continuously. And in the middle of that stream is the human brain, or we can even say mind. आपल्याला माहिती असेल की आपल्या मनात सतत वेगवेगळे विचार येत असतात आणि आपण ते थांबवू शकत नाही. That flow is continuous. And that is the stream keeps flowing without fail. And when the novel that talks about the continuous flow of the thoughts, feelings, and sensation into one's mind is known as stream of consciousness novel. This stream of consciousness is a term, is a phrase coined by William James in his treatise Principles of Psychology. This term was used to describe flow of thoughts, perceptions and feelings. व्यक्तीच्या मनात येणारा जो थॉट्सचा, फिलिंग्सचा कंटिन्युअस फ्लो असतो त्याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन आपल्याला स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टाइप ऑफ नॉवेल्समध्ये वाचायला मिळतं. It focuses on inner thoughts and feelings. Stream of consciousness is a narrative device that is written to a character's thought process. एखाद्या कॅरेक्टरची थॉट प्रोसेस दाखवण्यासाठी या प्रकारचं नॉवेल लिहिलं जाऊ शकतं. And incidents in a plot are in sequence of their occurrences. Novelist narrates them as they enter in the mind of character. So इथे कसे विचारांचा फ्लो येतो तो तशा पद्धतीने नॉवेलमध्ये नरेट केला जातो. To the Lighthouse by Virginia Woolf is the example of stream of consciousness novel. And the next type of novel is Bildung's Roman novel. It's a German word, children. And this German word indicates growth. मग आता ही ग्रोथ कोणती आहे? It is not a growth in the form of money or status. एखाद्याच्या स्टेटसमध्ये होणारी ग्रोथ किंवा एखाद्या पैशाच्या स्वरूपात होणारी ग्रोथ ही या नॉवेलमधून नाही दाखवली जात. तर इट इज द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्रोटॅगॉनिस्ट माइंड, स्पिरिट अँड कॅरेक्टर फ्रॉम देअर चाइल्डहुड टू अडल्टहुड. एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं किंवा त्या प्रोटॅगॉनिस्टचं, त्या मेजर कॅरेक्टरचं जो मानसिक, स्पिरिच्युअल आणि त्याच्या कॅरेक्टरमध्ये जो चाइल्डहुड पासून अडल्टहुडमध्ये जो बदल घडून येतो असा बदल ज्या नॉवेल्समध्ये डिस्क्राईब केला जातो दॅट आर द बिल्डिंग्स रोमॅन नॉवेल. It is a literary genre that focuses on the psychological and moral growth of the protagonist from youth to childhood. सो मॉरल ग्रोथ जी नैतिक ग्रोथ, नैतिक जडणघडण एखाद्या व्यक्तीची किंवा त्या प्रोटॅगॉनिस्टची ह्या नॉवेल्समधून दाखवली जाते. A journey, more often psychological or spiritual journey of discovery, is the characteristic feature of this type of novel. ही स्पिरिच्युअल आणि सायकोलॉजिकल जर्नी प्रोटॅगॉनिस्टची ह्या नॉवेलमधून दाखवली जाते. अँड इट टॉक्स अबाउट द मॉरल डेव्हलपमेंट. नैतिक डेव्हलपमेंट ही या नॉवेल्समधून मांडली जाते त्या प्रोटॅगॉनिस्टची. जेन आयर by Charlotte Bronte and Harry Potter series are the examples of Bildung's romance novel. And now the next type of novel is pulp fiction. Pulp fictions are basically magazine or book containing vivid subject matters. Children, you must have seen that in Bildung's romance novel we talked about the psychological and spiritual growth of a protagonist. So एक टॉपिक घेतलाय, त्या टॉपिक वरती डिस्क्रिप्शन लिहिलं आहे. Or if we take the example of utopian novel, we have the description of the ideal society in that novel. If we talk about the psychological novel, inner self or person's psychological development is narrated. So एक टॉपिक असतो, एका कुठल्या तरी थीम वरती हे नॉवेल्स लिहिले जातात. बट इन पल्प फिक्शन वी हॅव विविड सब्जेक्ट मॅटर्स. दिस पल्प मॅगझिन इज published in cheaply printed magazines. These are the cheaply printed magazines, and these magazines are printed on the cheap pulp paper. Pulp paper हे rough paper किंवा unfinished paper ज्याला म्हणतात, त्याला pulp paper म्हटलं जातं. And since they are printed on this cheap pulp paper, they are known as pulp fiction. And this form of novel became popular in 20th century. It is a fiction published for the general entertainment for masses. And this type of fiction provided a building ground for creative talent which would influence all forms of entertainment for decades to come. Detective stories and science fiction genres were created by the freedom that the pulp magazines provided. इथे pulp magazine मध्ये कुठल्याही थीमचं restriction रायटरला नसतं. The Pelican Brief, which is the legal suspense thriller, is an example of pulp fiction. Now look at the pictures, children. You can see that a man is traveling in a space, or the cars are flying. That is the futuristic technology is described, or the tremendous brain power of a human being is described. And when the novel that describes such type of elements, it is known as science fiction. Science fiction is the genre of speculative fiction. Science fiction deals with imaginative concepts that don't exist in the real world. ह्या जगात एक्झिस्ट न करणाऱ्या अशा गोष्टींबद्दल सायन्स फिक्शन मध्ये लिहिलं जातं. स्पेक्युलेटिव्ह फिक्शन याला म्हणतात, म्हणजे अनुमान बांधले जातात की हे असं घडेल आणि त्या आधारे ते नॉवेल लिहिलं जातं. It also deals with the impact of actual or imagined science upon society and individuals. So what are the elements of the science fiction? They are the futuristic setting. की भविष्य काळात काय घडू शकतं याच्याबद्दलचं एक सेटिंग या नॉवेलमध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळतं. किंवा फ्युचरिस्टिक सायन्स और टेक्नॉलॉजी, स्पेस ट्रॅव्हल, टाइम ट्रॅव्हल, पॅरलल युनिव्हर्सेस, एक्स्ट्रा टेरेस्ट्रियल लाईफ, फिक्शनल वर्ल्ड्स, such are the elements of science fiction. And this science fiction explores the potential consequences of scientific and other innovations. Frankenstein, written by Mary Shelley, is regarded as the first science fiction. And this type of fiction flourished in the second half of the 19th century. The Time Machine by H.G. Wells is the example of science fiction. Now look at the picture again, children. What do you find here? That a man is trying to find out something through magnifying glass. The man has pipe in his one hand and magnifying glass in his other hand. And the man is wearing hat. He is trying to search something. And when such type of things are narrated in a novel, that novel is known as detective fiction. Detective fiction is subgenre of crime fiction and mystery fiction. In detective fiction, investigator or detective, whether professional or amateur, non-professional, or the person who is doing the job for his or her hobby, investigates a crime, often a murder. डिटेक्टिव्ह स्टोरीजमध्ये नॉर्मली मर्डरची मिस्ट्री सॉल्व्ह करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जातो. द मिस्ट्री इज सॉल्व्ड बाय लॉजिकल डिडक्शन फ्रॉम फॅक्ट्स फेअरली प्रेझेंटेड टू द रीडर्स. सो या डिटेक्टिव्ह फिक्शनमध्ये काही क्ल्यूज रीडर्सला दिले जातात आणि तशा पद्धतीचा तो प्लॉट तयार केला जातो. द ऑडियन्स इज चॅलेंज टू सॉल्व्ह द क्राईम बाय प्रोव्हाइडिंग क्ल्यूज and these are the plot driven novels. Plot is very important, prominent in this type of novels. The examples of detective novels are A Study in Scarlet by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. A Study in Scarlet marked the introduction of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. And of course, we know that An Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. These are the examples of detective fiction. Children, here we have finished the types of novels. Let us discuss the activity pattern of this fourth section, that is novel. Children, this novel is the fourth section, your activity sheet, and this section is asked for 16 marks. This is the fifth question in your activity sheet, and there are 4 sub questions given. Question number 5A is based on 4.1, that is history of novel. Question number 5B is based on the second topic, that is the novel, and C and D again they are on the novels. The types of activities which will be given are match the columns, chronological order, fill in the blanks, true or false, elements of novel, types of novels, pick out the odd element from the group, or any other novel activities will be given. There will be 2 questions given in each sub-question of the novel, and each question will be asked for 2 marks. So for 4.1, basically they are the MCQs type question where you are asked to match the columns, or you are asked to write the chronological order, or you are asked to fill in the blanks, or true or false sentence, or the elements of novel, or other activities based on the 4.1 will be asked. Discuss some of the activities. Like the first activity which is given here is match the columns. And in column A, some words are given, and in column B, you have to match those words with the column B. Let us take 1 or 2 examples. The first word or the first thing which is written in the column A is Murasaki Shikibu. So what do you think? The matching word or matching concept from the B column? Yes. Tale of Genji. Tale of Genji is the novel written by Murasaki Shikibu. Or novel. What is novel? It is a long narrative fiction, or it is a long narrative. In this way, you have to complete these activities. Now, there is one more question here. I have added here in the brainstorming activities for practice. Look at the sentences. And the question is, pick out the odd element from the group. And in the sentence, the names of the authors are given: Anita Desai, Kiran Nagarkar, Mulk Raj Anand, Daniel Defoe. Which is the odd element of the group, children? Daniel Defoe, because we know that Anita Desai, Kiran Nagarkar, Mulk Raj Anand, these are the Indian novelists, and Daniel Defoe is not an Indian novelist. Or let us take one more example, like gothic, psychological, detective, and theme. Again, in this sentence, theme is the odd element, because gothic, psychological, and detective, they are the types of novel, and theme is the element of novel. And in this way, you will get some activities based on the 4.1. Children, today we learned the first topic, that is history of English novel. There are 3 more novels you are going to learn. Children, you have to study all these topics, all 4 of these topics thoroughly, because you won't get passage for reference in your activity sheet. You get passage for prose and poetry, like you have seen prose and seen poetry, but for novel you won't get any passage, so you have to learn all these topics thoroughly. All the very best to you, children, and thank you very much.